Hello friends, welcome to my channel NAILART. Today I will show you how to create a beautiful spring design on natural nails using gel polish. I will be doing the design with my left hand. This means that anyone can repeat the design, even if you are new to nail design. I will be using a milky base as well as blue and white gel polish. So let's begin. We prepare the nail plate for coating. First, I apply the rubber base and let it dry for 30 seconds. Then we use a milk base to form the nail architecture. To evenly distribute the material, I help myself with a thin brush. From the edge of the nail, stretch the material towards the center. Next, dry for 30 seconds in a lamp. Next, I pat blue and white gel polishness on my palette. I will draw small flowers on the middle ring finger and little finger. I use a synthetic brush. The movements are very simple. We pat the dots with a little pressure and get a beautiful flower. To make the flower have a beautiful color, I mix color together. I arrange the flower on the nail in a chaotic manner. It doesn't have to be only hula flowers, there can also be pelvis or even a couple of petals. In this design, the design will look very harmonious even on short natural nails. For the core, I use gold gel polish. I cover everything with top coat and dry it in a lamp for 60 seconds. The result, this design will 100% lift your spirits and also look great on your hands. Well, NAILART was with you. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click like, share and comment. Did you like the design? Good luck to all. Bye bye.